What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Felicia Renee, and of course, as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply false eyelashes. And I do get a lot of questions about this. It seems to be a struggle for you guys, but don't worry, because we're not going to struggle any longer. I'm going to give you guys my tips and tricks. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so one of the first things that you're going to need is, of course, some tweezers. I have two different options here. So this is just like a regular pair of tweezers. I think these are from like Revlon, and then this is a pair, I can't remember exactly where I got them from, but I absolutely love them. They're pointed, they have like the curve, and it's just so perfect for me to actually like grab the lash and kind of adjust it to my eye shape. It just makes everything a lot easier for me. And then of course you're gonna need like your mirror. So I'm just gonna show you guys two options. Of course, I do have my mirror right here that I kind of place right here. It has the regular side and then the magnifying side, like times 10, and it just sits up like this. And I will either use this or have a mirror, like a handheld mirror. Now this is a good option. You can get this one from like Marshall's, I think, for like maybe $5, but it has the regular side. It's a pretty decent size, and then it has like a magnified side, like times 3. So you can, I feel like this is going to be great for especially like a beginner, because you can like really see up close but not too close where it's like kind of blurring everything out. So yeah, you got your mirror, your tweezers, and then as far as the lashes, it's really up to you what lash you're going to use. Today I'm going to use my mink lashes. These are by Lash Co in the style Evelyn. And then just far as some cheaper options for you guys, I love Kiss lashes. So these are two of the styles that I do love. You can pick these up at Walmart. Well, let me just make sure it focuses. So these are just some regular like demi wispy type of lashes, and these are like the blowout Kiss lashes, and I really like these. So I just wanted to show you guys some options, you know, if you don't want to necessarily spend money on mink lashes. But now just to kind of get into things, so first what I like to do is I do like to line my lid just a little bit. Well, the majority of the time I do. I feel like it helps to hide the lash band. So I'm not going to really focus on the eyeliner. I'm probably going to speed past this part and get back into things. So let me put this on first. Okay, so liner on. Now moving on to the actual lash. Now I do like to put mascara on my lashes before I put my fake lashes on, because I feel like it helps everything to mesh. So you definitely want to put mascara on. But what I do like to do is put the glue on the lash first, and then I will move into putting the mascara on while it dries. So give me a second. Let me just put the glue on the actual lash. Oh, I forgot to mention. So the thing is with mink lashes, they do come like very long, because they're meant to like, I guess it's like one size fits all. So you can actually cut them and shape them to your eyes. So I already like cut anything that I need to do, but you never want to cut from the inner corner. And let me make sure you guys can see it. So you never want to cut from the inner corner. You always want to cut from the outer corner, because that's where like it's always going to be shorter towards the inner part, and of course you don't want that to be like super long, and you want to actually like see the shape of your eyes. So yeah, I already cut these, but yeah, you can always adjust them. So now I'm gonna put my lash glue on, and the lash glue that I'm gonna use today is the Kiss Strip adhesive, and it has aloe in it. Now I do also love the Duo lash glue, but this Kiss lash glue works just as good. You can pick it up from Walmart for like, I think maybe $3 or $4. It's actually a little bit cheaper than the Duo, and this one works just as good. It does dry clear. It comes like white, but it dries clear. Now this, I'm glad that I do. Sorry, my dog is barking. But this is a great glue for beginners. Now I know sometimes like other lash glues or like the Duo lash glue, and my husband is just coming home, so give me 1 second. My husband just came home. My dog barking, they making too much noise, but yeah, hopefully I can edit that out. But anyways, moving back on to the lash glue. I feel like this lash glue is so good for beginners because it has the brush tip. So also Duo does have this one as well, like one with the brush, with the why I can't talk with the brush. So this one is just makes everything so much easier as far as just brushing it onto the actual lash band. And I'm trying to make sure that you guys can see this. I got a piece of hair right there. So yeah, you just brush it onto the lash band. You don't need a whole bunch, and it will last. Okay, so you got it. So you can see I already brushed it onto the lash band, and I'm going to, of course, you know, come back to this, but I want to put my mascara on. So I'm just gonna, you can use any mascara, but you want to make sure it's black because you want to, of course, match it to the actual lashes. So I'm just using this Gigi Hadid and Maybelline mascara, and I'm just going to coat my lashes. Hold on one second. So you just want to make sure, and what you a trick to like helping you to put mascara on, if like, I know some people hate putting stuff close to their eyes, but just like put it right here and look down and blink, so you can like roll and blink. Me, I don't care, I'm just like swiping, I don't mind. And I love to put mascara on because I feel like it also helps for the lashes and your regular lashes to actually blend together and go like smoother. And you know how sometimes you have, it looks like you have that space in between your lash and the actual fake lash. This just helps blend everything together. And also doing this after you put the glue on, it just helps to like give this some more time to like dry. So now moving right on to, so moving on to putting the actual lash on, make sure that the glue, now you don't want to, another trick, you don't want to let the glue get too dry, but you don't want to put the lash on as soon as you put the glue on, because you want it to kind of give it a little time to like halfway dry, get a little bit tacky, and that's just going to make your process a lot smoother and it'll stick a little bit better versus kind of sliding and moving. Now as far as the actual lash, what you want to do, and this is the reason why I absolutely love these tweezers, is because you just grab it, it just goes so smooth. You grab it like this, you want to grab the middle part of the lash. So you don't want to grab the end part, and you don't want to grab like the beginning part, because it's gonna make everything mess up. But you can just place this, and what I do like to do, I like to take my mirror, which I'll have this one. Sometimes I'll like look up to see where I'm putting it, or either like I can look down so I can see where the actual lash is going, because if you're trying to just do it this way, your hand is going to get in the way of your eyes, and it's just gonna, like, you're just gonna be struggling. So anyways, you can take a mirror in your hand, look down, or either like look upward in a mirror and go like that. But I'm gonna take this mirror right here, look down, and I'll just see where I'm placing it. So as you can see, I placed it towards the middle so it can stick. Now what I can do is just pull out anything, like, so I can measure the end. I want to make sure the end part is sticking to, or is lined up with the outer part of my eye. Sorry, I'm struggling a little bit right here. Okay, so you can just adjust it and pull this way and make sure it's stuck, and then adjust the inner part. So I like to adjust the middle, the outer portion, and then you can play with the middle, the top part or the beginning part to see where it's supposed to line up with your eyes. Okay, so I hope you guys can see it. You see it's right along the lash band. So inner part, outer part, and then the inner part. What did I say? Middle, outer, inner. That's how I like to put my lashes on. And you see how fast that was? Like, if I was not talking and trying to like actually explain each step, I would have been able to pop it on in like a few seconds, or at least a minute. And then what I like to do, and this is another reason why I recommend you guys getting a pair of scissors like this, I like to just kind of like push it up, so that way it'll blend my lash with the false lash. So just blend up any hair that did not stick. don't poke yourself out. So be very careful because this is so sharp and this will take you out. For real. And then what I like to do, you can take this part of the tweezers, hold it this way and just blend, mesh them all together. And that helps everything to stick together because you don't want any loose hair. You don't want them to come out. And you see, got my lash on. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up everything. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful and I gave you guys some good tips to make everything a lot smoother and an easier process to apply your lashes. And of course, if you did enjoy this video, definitely leave me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below on upcoming videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys.